In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize your GotSafety mobile app repository. The repository is essentially a cloud storage that allows your company to upload files through your client admin that could then be viewed or listened to by your employees on their PC or mobile app. Some examples of what you might upload to your repositories are SDS sheets, company memos, job site plans or pictures, tailgate meeting schedules, and emergency contacts. The repository accepts the following files: PDF, JPEG, which is an image file, video and audio files. Let's take a look at how to upload these files to your admin client center. After logging on, you'll want to hover over the repository tree and head Files. You'll notice that your company name will show up and there'll be no files here in the folder. If you look at it on your mobile app, you will see that if you go to the repository tree, there is nothing found in the tree. So let's go back here and add some files to your center. So here you can right-click and add folders and subfolders. So let's add a few folders. New folder. We'll add one for SDS sheets. And we'll add one for company memos. If I click on the company folder, the new folders will show up. Now let's add some subfolders to the job sites folder. We'll add job site 1, and job site 2. We'll click on the company name, and now you will see there's an arrow, so I can open that up. And now let's go to the job site and we'll add additional subfolders. We'll put emergency contacts, pictures, and plans. Click on the company name again, and now you'll see the arrow, and that's what your tree looks like there. So let's bring the phone back on. And let's look at the repository tree. Now you can see your company memos, the job sites, job site 1, and SDS sheets. So there's all of your additional items in the repository. So next, let's add a file. You can go to SDS sheets here. You can either click on this here and upload files, or you can also right-click over here in the field area and hit upload, and then you can simply drag and drop your files and the file will appear. Let's bring the phone back over. And we will back out of the repository, go back in, and we'll just open up the SDS sheets And now you'll see the one that I opened. Now it will be important that your phone be equipped with a PDF reader, Acrobat. When I click on that, we'll open up, and there you can see the SDS sheet that I've entered onto my phone. It can also be accessed through your employee login at GotSafety.com. That concludes the tutorial on uploading the repository tree in your GotSafety Client Center.